bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying that Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. But the program we are watching today is Kini Show television. This is a sister station to bàbá olóyin original television. This is Kini Show television. Kini Show ọmọ Ìbàdàn. Kini Show ọmọ Ìbàdàn. Kini Show show. My telephone number for this channel is 081 08 431 336. You will see it on the screen. You will see it on the screen as I'm talking like this. I want to tell you how you can use coconut. This is coconut. How you can use coconut water to receive money. Then you will not spend badly. Some people, they are collecting heavy salary, but they cannot point to what they are doing with the salary. I have taught you before, 2018, Baba Oloyin original television. Some people, they are reposting, giving the program different titles. I was just watching them and laughing at them. I want to repost it to this channel so that those who don't know go know. Those who have never heard of Baba Oloyin original, or that is the creator, or the original idea, that get the original idea of this coconut water, you will be able to hear it. This is a new channel. I posted how to use ashes to remove hatred from your body and to avert your family causes and family bondage. If you watch Kini Show television, you will see it there. Don't forget, I'm still at Yesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. My phone number is on the screen as you are watching me. I will teach you what else. I will just mention now how you can see money and how you can see progress in your business. Don't forget, I have agent at Mushin. Number 4 Alukola Street, Mushin. You want to buy original only? Go there. You want to buy our books? You get there. You get all our products there. At Bariga, number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. You see our products there. At Ikotu Egbe, go to Yamubo. Mrs. Taiwo Yamubo. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Oja Agodo. That's Agodo Market. From Sele bus stop, Egbe. Enter Maruwa or take Okada to Agodo Market. Just ask for number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Everybody knows Baba Oloyin there. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. Yes. Don't forget at Mushin. Number 4, Alukola Street. Number 4, Alukola Street. CAF Communications. Number 4, Alukola Street, Mushin bus stop. You can drop at AP Petroleum's AP bus stop. At AP bus stop, as of Alukola, they will direct you. And we are at Yesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. My phone number is on the screen. Yes, I'm the publisher of all these books. This is my latest book, African Power. African Power, yes. Agbára èèyàn dúdú, African Power. You will see the name of this root there. The name of this root, you will see it there. This root can reduce your sugar level. It can help you for hypertension. It can help you for diabetes. That is sugar level. It can boost your immune system. It can boost your immune system. When your immune system is low, you cannot perform very well with your wife. Yes, you can see it there. You have arthritis, rheumatism. How you can use these roots? You see it in African Power. African Power. You see it there. Yes, this book. You will see how you can use excess. On a quitté quand no matter how tight it is. A brooding farm must reach this hatching center. Yes. No matter how, the road will never block for a brooding fowl not to reach its incubating center. It must reach it. This is excess. What we add to it is in the book, African Power. I told you about orange peas. How you can use orange peas. Orange peas. Orange normally stays inside the bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to find it. Igbo lọ́sàn wà àmàrà ìlànà lọ́ba ni. People will locate you. They will find you for good things and better things in life. Try to buy this book. It's the most expensive one out of my books. And people are buying the book more than the other books. Those who bought my books before, they bought this book. Some people are giving me gifts over this book. Say, don't forget you are selling original honey. Original honey. Yes. If you need original honey, come to Babolo bus stop Yesota or go to my agency in Lagos State. He will sell for you. So this is coconut. Nobody knows how water enter coconut. Nobody knows how water enter coconut. Nobody knows. And no matter how heavy the breeze, breeze can never fall down coconut tree. Yes. And the secret there, nobody know how water enter coconut. Nobody will know how you will survive your economy. You will get money. What you will do? You will break a coconut. Some people, they were asking me, how are they to break it? You can use cutlass to break the coconut. Put it inside a cup. You can use a show. You can use nail. Out of these 3 holes, you will punch it. You take the water, put it inside cup. After you have put it inside cup, then put it inside a plastic like this. Then, this is original honey. Put only 1 spoon. Only 1 spoon. 1 spoon of honey with coconut water. Anytime you want to go out in the morning, just do like this. Let the water touch your hand like this. Don't put it inside fridge. Don't put it inside freezer. It can never spoil. Because honey is preservative. Honey is there for you. If you put it inside fridge or freezer, you have spoiled the medicine. Sabolo goes inside. Yes. But if you have perfume, if you like, you can drop small perfume inside it to avoid the taste, the smell. But it doesn't smell. Once you have added honey to it, it can't spoil. Many people are reposting this thing on their channels. I always laugh. It's one of the things that showed this book, Honey as a Medicine. I put it in the book. This book was released 2015. I posted it on my channel, Baboloyi Original Television, in 2018. Some people are reposting. Those who watch that station, Baboloyi Original Television, it's over 500,000 people that watch it. You yourself, click it. Click Baboloyi Original Television on your YouTube channel. Go and see it. How to use coconut water. Over 500,000 people have watched it. Over 500,000 people have watched it. Some people, they are reposting on their channel. Anytime they say I loaded some things, and people that try it, it works for them. They share it among friends. Then they will load it on their YouTube. They begin to do yanga as if they are the original creator. I leave them for God. But I want them, they should not tamper with this one. Most of the things I put inside this book, they are reloading on their YouTube channel, like bitter leaf. How you can use bitter leaf to remove hatred from your body. They are reloading on their channel. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't tamper with this one. Don't try it. The same teeth dog used to play with his puppies. He can use the same teeth to bite them, to finish them. Please be steer clear of this book. Don't tamper it. Those who know them should want them. Those who know them to tell them. Unless you want hunger to kill you. Don't tamper with this one. It's my hand at the chart. I know how much I spent for the start of my books. Don't tamper with this one. You have stolen my idea on coconut water, which everybody know is in this book. This book was published in 2015. And this book was from 50 Ways of Using Honey. I don't have to I copied 50 Ways of Using Honey, which was my creator. I'm the idea. I'm the owner. I added another 20 usefulness of honey to it to make it 70. 70 Ways of Using Honey. It's now in honey as a medicine book now. It's now in honey as a medicine book. Coconut water. How you can use coconut water to receive blessing. You will see money. People are now creating. They are now jumping, giving different titles. Please. Sorry for me. Be careful. Beware. Don't tamper with this new book. I've forgiven you. Those who are reloading. Don't tamper with this one. Don't try it. When I wanted to release this book about a month to the publication date, somebody called me, wanted to give me 200,000 so that I can give him what I will have to order in peace so that it will work for him. I said, look, you have to wait for the book. He said, I'm in Nigeria now. So when I travel, I may not see the thing to have to the one. I said, what we have to order in peace, that it will make you better. People will look for you. Wait for the book. 200,000, I said, it's a small money to God. God can provide me that money and above that money. I didn't leave the secret. I told a friend of mine that if I gave him the secret, before the book is released, they will go to YouTube to leak the secret and they will forfeit what I have already got in the book. I told the person, if you want to give me 1 million, I will not give you the secret. You have to wait for the book to be released. There's a Gbanle Okone Gbanle Ali. You have a runaway wife. You have a runaway girlfriend. How you can use mirror to recall her back? You will see it in my next book. Many people are worrying me. If I see up to 100 people that are calling for this thing, well, I may release it for you on YouTube channel. I may give you to try it so that when the book is released, I will get confident that the book, what I have is, I'm sure of it. This is the book. If you have sickle cell children, yes, it's in this book. How you can cure sickle cell. If you are having male child, you want a female child, what you can do is in this book. If you are having female, you are looking for a male child, it's in this book. This is solution to woman problems. This one, you get staphylococcus. Some people, they get staphylococcus. They cannot pregnant a woman because of low sperm count. They have drawn all tests. They have gone to mountains, up mountain, lower mountain, prayer mountains. But you have staphylococcus. Unless you cure your staphylococcus, it's in this small book. Yes, this is Healing Power of Honey. Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin. Don't forget, my new book is coming on the way. I will not mention the title for you. Yes, don't forget coconut water. If you put it, you get the water, put it inside a plastic like this. A plastic that get cover. Just put 1 spoon of honey. Join it together. Don't put it inside freezer. As some people are telling you. Those who stole people's idea, they don't know. If you put it inside freezer, it cannot work again. Don't put it inside fridge. You will put it in a safe place. You just rub your hand with it. Every morning, when you want to go outside, you can add perfume to it. But don't try it. Don't put it inside fridge. Don't put it inside freezer. If you put it inside freezer, it will not work again. Yes, watch my book. Listen to what I'm saying. Anytime you will see money. Nobody knows how water enters coconut. How you will see money, nobody will know it. Yes, nobody will know it. Àṣírí ẹ̀kọ́ ìtúlójú ewé. Yes. Then, some times, you get salary, you don't know how you are spending it. You are doing business. You always accuse your workers. They are stealing your money. They are not stealing your money. Sometimes, your money can miss spiritually. You keep money inside a wardrobe, inside a safe. You hold the key. When you come back, you will not know how money is missing. If you are using this thing, it will never happen again. Yes, it will not. Sometimes you get salary, you go to market, you buy some things. When you reach house, you will take biro. You jot down what you have already bought. Your money will be missing. Either 1,000 or 2,000. When you calculate, when you are tired, you will drop the, you will not write anything again. Because you will just don't know how 2,000 naira or 3,000 is missing from your money. If you are using this, it will never happen again. Just take coconut water. Coconut water, you can punch it with nail. You can use cutlass to break it. Put it inside cup of water. Later, then you put it inside a plastic. If you want to put it directly, you will use the water. But don't lose the water. First of all, break it. Or use nails to remove the water inside the cup. After getting inside the cup, they put it inside plastic. By the special grace of God, you had 1 spoon of honey. Only 1 spoon of honey, not 2. But the honey must be original. Put it there. Anytime you want to go out in the morning, do like this. Rub your hand with it. You will see money. People will be giving you money. Then when you are selling, you will make profit with it. By the special grace of God. By the special grace of God. Watch my YouTube channel, Babaloyin Original Television. It was posted on December 29, 2018. If any other person is posting it, they are copycats. They are copycats. Nothing in their brain to steal people's idea. Nothing. I can say it boldly like this. I'm born with herbs and leaves. Ọgbàlọmọ rágbérí. Ọmọ egbogbo kìkì ogun. Ogun tí ò jẹ́ ewé ẹ̀ ní òpè. Ọmọ ewé kan ni mo pe gbewé ló ń jẹ́ mi lójú ọ̀dọ̀. Yes. I'm born with this thing. I've done a lot of research to come out to do this. Yes. So don't forget my phone number is the same thing as WhatsApp number on this channel. But those of you that know me on that channel, Babaloyin Original Television, you can still come on that line. I will tell you. I will respond to your calls. But for this channel, it's 081 084 31 336. You will see it on the screen like this. Please don't forget to share this program. Share among friends. Share among relatives. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Because you will receive another very educative, informative, reliable on this channel next week. By the special grace of God. What you never hear about honey, you will hear it on this program next week. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.